Hi guys. 1 second there now. That's right.
0 minutes and 5 seconds. 0 hours.
I think
9 seconds.
I'll leave the screen
Stop
on
recording video.
because
Button.
I can't take it off. Anyway, I want to do an unboxing video of a birthday box that I got. So I have the box here. It was from my friend Sarah who lives in Colorado. And the box is cool. Alright, so the first thing she sent me was Crazy Jane seasoning, which is it's salt. It's Crazy Jane salt seasoning for meat. I don't know if you have it, but we don't have it here, so she sent me a box of it. So I'm going to put that on my meat, like my steak and my chicken and stuff like that. And it's called Crazy Jane. Then the next thing she sent me was a can of Sloppy Joe mix, because I love Sloppy Joes and I haven't had the mix at all actually, and I haven't had Sloppy Joes since I last was in the USA. So yeah, it's a can of Sloppy Joe mix, so I'm going to enjoy that. And then the next thing she sent, oh my god, look at the size of that bag of Reese's. I have to see a big bag of Reese's Easter eggs. I have to have one. I love them. I'm going to have one. I'll open it now and see if I can get out one. These are the Reese's Easter eggs. I can't open the bag. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. They're so hard to open.
Microphone. Voice message.
Oh yes, I got them. Right, I'm going to open one of these. And have one now because I love them so much. Peanut butter, nice. Yum. Very nice. Lovely. So, she got me some shower gel. Sorry, I'm eating Reese still. Some shower gel and some body spray. I have to try this body spray. Oh my god. It's warm vanilla sugar. It smells so good. I have to put some body spray on me. Warm vanilla sugar. And the shower gel to match. That body spray smells beautiful. And then, oh, she got me some ranch dressing. You know the packets you make up yourself? Well, she got me these packets that...
Oops, microphone. Voice
Never mind
message.
that my thing is going off there. You make the packets up with milk. And I think you make them up with milk. She said it was milk or something. Anyway, it's the ranch dressing because I love ranch. And then she got me some rose body spray, rose lotion, and rose shower gel, because rose reminds me of my therapist. I'm going to have to spray this body spray now as well, because I want to smell the rose. How do you spray it? Something there now. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, yum. The smell of that now is just beautiful. I love it. So she got me rose shower gel, rose lotion and rose body spray. And I am so thrilled with all this stuff. Thank you so much, Sarah. It's brilliant. I'm going to have another Reese's thing now when I finish turning this off. So I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.